Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Melissa Bucadaligdig, 29 years old. I am 150 centimeter and 59 kilogram. I am currently living here in Mandaluyong City, Philippines. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two kids, one boy, 10 years old, and one girl, 9 years old. I am graduated of Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. My father's name is Casimiro Daligdig Jr. and my mother's name is Shailita Bucadaligdig. We are both in farming. We are 6 in siblings. 2 boys, 3 girls, and I am the youngest. I have 3 years experience as a housemaid. I take good care 5 years old boys, and I am willing to take good care an infant. I am a pet lover also. I take good care also a pet like a cat. My main duties are there, cooking, cleaning, do laundry, and all the household chores. I know how to cook basic food in Chinese like pork, like chow pan, Shanghai, and fish fillet. But now I am currently working as a office staff here in Philippines. But my salary is not enough for the needs of my kids. And I want to give my kids a bright future and the need of my mother since my father died last year. I am a breadwinner of my family. The reason why I go abroad because I am a single mother and I want to give the needs of my kids. Madam and sir, this is my first time to work abroad, but I have an experience of a maid and a mother also. Madam and sir, please hire me because I am patient, trustworthy, hardworking, and I will follow your house rule and instruction. Madam and sir, this is my first time, but I am willing to work with you. Thank you and God bless